In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage files using Hostinger and the platform srv1982files.hstgr.io. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to enhance your file management skills, this guide will walk you through the basic steps on how to manage your website files effectively. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the Hostinger homepage. Once you're there, we want to make our way to the dashboard. The dashboard serves as your central hub. You can access different tools and features related to your website management from here. It's an essential part of navigating your Hostinger account, providing a quick overview of your websites, their status, and other useful tools. Now that you're on the dashboard, locate and click on Files. This option is usually available quite prominently depending on the interface's layout. By clicking Files, you are taking the first step into managing your website's content more directly. Remember, the file system is like the backbone of your website. It's crucial to have easy access and be familiar with these components. Next, you'll want to open the File Manager. Click on File Manager in your options. The Hostinger File Manager allows you to perform tasks similar to that of a standard file manager on your computer. You can upload, download, edit, and delete files, all from the comfort of your browser. The interface is user-friendly, making complex tasks easier even for newcomers. Once you're within the File Manager, direct your attention to the option that allows you to reach files of only this specific website. Clicking this will focus your file exploration on the website you are currently working on. This not only helps in keeping things organized, but also minimizes the risk of editing files from different sites by mistake. With the website-specific file view open, look for the option labeled File Upload. Clicking on File Upload will allow you to select and prepare the files you want to add to your website. This step is straightforward but crucial, as proper file placement can impact your site's functionality and appearance. Finally, to complete the uploading process, click on the Upload button. This action will prompt you to choose files from your computer to upload to the server. Make sure your files are ready and named appropriately before uploading. The upload process usually takes a moment, depending on your file sizes and internet connection speed. And there you have it. You've gone through the steps to effectively manage and upload files onto your website using Hostinger and srv1982files.hstgr.io. Remember to regularly check your files and organization within the File Manager to ensure your website runs smoothly and stays up to date. Keep exploring and familiarizing yourself with these tools, as they are vital in managing your site efficiently. Happy file managing!